Hey guys, what's up? It's MTech Pro here, guys. It's your boy MTech Pro. Um, I'm still deciding what to name this channel, but for now we're gonna stick with MTech Pro. Today, right? Something came in the package. Well, not today, more like yesterday. Something came in the package, but I wanted to wait till today to do it. So look what we got: a new keyboard. You may ask, why do we have a new keyboard? Well, I have interesting long story which I will not get into right now. But let's after this enough on the rambling. Let's get into the intro. So let's get into this. We're gonna unbox this keyboard, guys. Open with my trusty knife. Do be careful. If you do not have a knife, I suggest you ask adult open it. Since I the adult here technically. Um, I open it. Okay, here we got the keyboard, of course. Keyboards. We have the manual. We have some stickers. I always trust Redragon to send some sick ass stickers. We got the keyboard, of course. It has dust proof red switches. We got some micros here. We have micros. We got some media switches. And that's also media switches. More like a volume up, a volume down. We got some st- foot stands, whatever you call this. Only one level. We do have some red switches. For some reason red switches seem to be the cheapest them of all, especially this kind of red switches. I believe it's like those silent key switches. Um, okay, enough of that. We're gonna take a look at this in a few seconds. We're gonna see what else came in the package. We got some extra key switches. You guys can see it here. Um, give me 1 second. All right, we're back. So we're gonna go into. This is so difficult and used. There we go. Uh, we got it open. Sorry about that. Me struggling over here. Here we go, guys. You guys can see the switches. These are the switches. Perfect. These are, it says dust proof. Um, Redragon switches. Redragon make the one switches. It's like a white bottom. These are like silent switches. But as you can see, where the cap's on is not that silent. But let's enough of that. Let's get back to the video. See what else we can unbox. What else? Okay, we got some power cables. Type C. Guys, we have Type C power cables. I mean, it's about 2-3 feet long, 4 feet long. I don't know exactly, but there we go. And it has its own Velcro strap. We're gonna take that out. Keep this. You can always use that later. I always keep my thing. Oh yeah, we have some keycap puller and this is a keycap puller, the red one, and the middle part is the switch puller. What else we got here? Oh, here's the manual I already showed you guys earlier, but here's the actual thing. This do have software support, but I'm not gonna get into that right now because we can't test it out right now because the computer is down. So I will get if you guys want to see another half of this video, I suggest you subscribe and let me know in the comment section below, and I can show you guys me swapping all the switches. These are good switches, but I have some switches already that came with my that I bought. So enough of my yambling. Yeah, what was I? Oh yeah, subscribe, turn on notification if you guys want to see me swap out those switches, big switches. We'll have to do that another video because this video is already long enough. We cannot test it right now because I have to fix my computer. So if you guys want to see that, tune in for another video. And probably if you guys let me know, after I finish set up the PC, you guys can see. I can show you how to install the software that came with this. But unless I install the right software. That's it for today, guys. Um, if you haven't subscribed already, would you really forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, guys. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.